In this video, I will show you how to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. So to get started, go ahead and open Snapchat on your device. Go ahead and head over into the messages section and then select the individual to whom you want to send a one-time view picture to. So click on that camera button at the left side of this section, and then you'll be able to open your camera. So on your camera, go ahead and take a photo. So once you have taken a photo, this tool section will pop on your screen. So click on this button at the bottom right, and then in here you can go ahead and set the amount of time this user can view the photo for, and then after you set that up, you can go ahead and proceed on sending the photo to this user. And that is how you can basically send one-time view pictures on Snapchat.